Hey guys, it's Michael from Picjam here. In this video, we're going to go through Picjam's edit feature, specifically using this chat box. And it's a very powerful feature, probably the most powerful we've released in 2025, just because there's so much you can do with it. So first up, you get started by typing an instruction, and you can see all the different types of things you can do as a thought starter here. So you could change the background. So I've got a nice studio background here. I could change it to a lifestyle. We'll take a look at how that works. You can turn the product into a ghost mannequin if you like. So you might have a model photo you're happy with, but you also want a ghost mannequin as well. You can add folds or fabric texture. You can make the neckline more visible, remove creases. These are really just a small snapshot of the types of things you can do. What I've done is just prior to this video, I actually typed in add a beret. So I'd love the model to be wearing a hat as well as a necklace. And let's scroll up and see some of the results. Hopefully they've come through. Yeah, they have. So you can see here that that's been added in different variations. Right, so I can choose one that I'm happy with, and it's just added a bit more personality to my shot overall. It's a matter of taste. I know brands that go for more of a laid back look. I know brands that really like to lean into accessories. It's totally your call, but just one great example. Now, some other things you can do is you can request other angles. So here, you can actually see that a side angle was requested. So it's more than fine to say, hey, could you give me a photo of this model in a diagonal angle, a side angle, with arms crossed. You can actually dictate poses with a high level of detail. So you can even see here, you get a really nice styled pose with the same model. So we've been able to keep the model and the product consistent, which is just a real game changer. You can see just the different type of versatility you have in these images overall. So that's a snapshot of something you can do, accessorizing as well as having more variance in poses. Another thing is we can get specific with the type of backgrounds we want. So this is a really highly requested feature. So let's get as specific as possible here. Let's say have Sydney Harbour Bridge in background, blue skies, sunny day. See what happens. So you can actually get quite local with the backgrounds you choose, which actually really brings us to a different use case in Picjam. Up until now, we've really been focused on making very accurate studio shoots, but there's a world in which this chat feature can be used to create some really compelling lifestyle imagery as well. So we're really excited about just how many more photos and videos you're going to be able to create with this, especially once you find a model that you really like. As we're waiting for that to generate, you can see the journey I've taken here. I actually started with this dress on a mannequin. I turned it to a photo with a model relatively quickly. And then after I chose this model, like she was my favorite out of the 4 that were generated, I then get to prompting and editing. So always generate a photo that you're happy with first and then make your edits. I highly recommend that. Some of these, I'll just give you a closer look whilst we're waiting for the others. So really nice rendition of the hands there. Pretty awesome. Super happy with those. So wow, this has already come through, so a bit faster than I thought. And you can see here just the lighting. So obviously the Sydney Harbour Bridge is there, so that's very real. I'm in Melbourne, but I lived in Sydney previously. I can definitely tell you that's a very good looking view of the Sydney Harbour Bridge there. But super impressive. So we've covered 3 things that you can do: angles, accessorizing, and also adding backgrounds. That's just a start. So I would definitely get familiar with the thought starters here, experiment, and if you have a request for something that you'd really love to see in the thought starters, do share it with the community. I think we'd all benefit from what you create because there's really unlimited potential with this new chat feature. So thanks so much for watching. if there's any further help you need, do reach out to our support and we'd be more than happy to help you. All right, happy generating. See you guys.